Most tutorials teach you how to deploy a hello world application, but that's not how the real world works. In the real world, you need security, you need to manage costs, and you need systems that heal themselves when things break. If you want to move from beginner to mastery, you need to build like the giants, Netflix, Shopify, and Riot Games. And today, I'm gonna give you the blueprint. This is Express Web App version 6. It's not just an app. It is a full enterprise case study. I've taken a legacy Express.json backend and transformed it into a globally scalable cloud-native platform. We are not just launching containers. We are implementing the complete modern DevOps stack. Infrastructure as code with Terraform to provision everything from scratch. Amazon EKS for enterprise-grade Kubernetes orchestration. Argo CD for GitOps because we don't do manual deployments anymore. AIOps and observability with Prometheus and Grafana to predict outages before they even happen. And crucially, FinOps and DevSecOps so we stay secure and under budget. Why did I build this? Because legacy apps suffer from manual deployments, zero cost visibility, and reactive firefighting. This project solves all of that. I have structured this repository exactly like a real production environment. We have a dedicated folder for our Helm charts, a separate path for Terraform modules, and custom scripts for security scanning and traffic simulation. I have even included an AIOps engine that detects latency anomalies and triggers alerts automatically. This is the kind of engineering that gets you hired at FANG companies. The best part? You can get this entire project right now. I have packaged the full source code, including the Terraform modules, AIOps scripts, and Helm charts into a complete download bundle. To get access, just click the link in the description below. It will take you to a simple request form. Once you sign up, I will send the full repository and setup guide directly to your inbox. Don't just watch the video. Download the code, break it, and rebuild it. Click the link below, get your copy, and let's start building the future of DevOps together. I am Emmanuel Nawiji, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you.